megalayapost.news
ban penpayo kajing persya kabajur halor kajing don kibre ki bapeteng banle ya ki kamti kendeu be an haki babun ki caka than marwet riboy kino yalam ko allrat marwet people federation ARMPF mentagasngi kilalet banbu sendan da kajing tho shaw abilash baranwal deputy commissioner kariboy kanorim kabala penlong ni kino yalam ke ARMPF ya kabala yalam do baring sok pedang presiden bad ukomal shakwa general secretary bakin lek ujor sendan shaw DC kade hadian baningkong kilalet ban ujor shaw range officer katanat forest kabadana khat armer bandawa na ubode ban khangno shi sendan ki kamti kendau bat kam penjat mariang hagati gathan andreu teu he officer gatanat forest syam la shimkhai e ruem ban khangi kamti kendau hagati gathan habakran shkilan patai khobor kiti gino yalam ke ARMPF kil ong baka kamti kendau bat ka kam penjat mariang ka jor ba gathan marwet bat kabala penter khong lut ye kitlong umbam umdi kabalawan ra jing e ru ye ki pajba bakin yo e ko umbam umdi kababyang ha ka ba jiatang na ka jing bun ki bati kendau bean habai de ber kiti jing lek bu jing jor shaudisi na galyang kino yalam ke ARMPF kilapan pa ka jing sohun men siam marna galyang DC lokular bachim kia halor ketiga man ban khang no iki kamti khendeu ne ki kam penjat mariang hagatiga than laban rap kino yalam ke ARMPF
just met me. They are from all Ride Marwet People Federation. They met and submitted one complaint regarding some alleged illegal earth cutting activities going on in Maithili and nearby villages. Per se, it falls in the domain of DFO territorial. So we have just received the complaint. We'll have to ascertain the facts. So I'll forward the matter to DFO and seek inquiry report from them to be able to proceed further. I'll have to check if it is still valid, because generally these orders issued under section 163 are valid for 6 months. So we had issued orders during monsoon season, especially in light of the landslides that are triggered because of the uncontrolled earth cutting activities or unscientific earth cutting activities across near the highway regions and PWD roads. So that order was passed with regard to controlling the landslides that may be triggered because of these earth cutting, but then whether they are still in operation or not, that will have to check.
So today we came to DC office Nongpo. We are from All Right Marwet People Federation. We have raised an issue regarding earth cutting in our Right Marwet area. Because of the earth cutting, our wells are getting dry. We have facing a lot problem of flood, and soil erosion and all. Our lands are getting less fertile. Poor people and all, they don't have money to boring and all. They depend on wells, or because of the land cutting, lots of wells has been dry up. So that's our issue. So the DDC has told us that he forwarded this, for the DDC will forward our application to the forest department. After that, forest department, whatever they reply, DC gonna forward that report to us.
Kalian ke orang dalam People Federation di waktu itu yang di bang labu kau letter ba angkani ka cutting waktu Indo pasar soko buat maluat ini ba kadau gani ba Indo ni long ba rata apa saka mariang ini baca ang pagbato long ba aduna ka jungi sendi ba nakapos ki matray da potlab da di batlab asam ba keno ya kayu kejela jungi kamera jungi ba hamtam ya karat maluat jungi keno ba bade ba baik Indo menyi bot Indo da ba dalam plat ana sako asam ba tu jadu kau nakileng tilay ula ong yang ilang ba ya rap saya keren satu saya seluruh bau dan seluruh sa tipora department so dia for katanya kemen hilang bakin ya rap yang mah nakane long bakin tu dari tinta di ba yang sini kan marwet barat basta ko nga yo ba ni sa banun ni so biti ngalari ibang ranger officer angka armer nila ay ka complain tambah ranger kan sing kesehatan dia tu hatu mantar kadang ya kata ka iyo do
isu penat bat ikan do DC ula simkia ya ka complain jonge ke ka ba kapong jonge keseng baya kita ginong nakatega area Maithili bagi high level ki ba otnoma telong ka DC okya yang ye kum keseng namar babun sing yo nakatega tempat no jonge kadu syak kena ba kamtam na ki baru kamtam ya ka jelar ofis ong he ba karat nomor kisalong kumne kum tema kaya sa kawai na kinong sinong ru ba ni haperkhat kum kaliang kaseng namar pekno manta ki otendeo telong kaum kaduna ba te hadin kaduna te bapli kim pot gormo ban le kum bale maki ban sna boring yo i mentah ga timra jongi nomor don ti pakam don pa ki sna da boring da te takaway dangi I love bet bakin otendeu te ka jong tiro baki judi ro kan long saw te sakaway ka pollution ro kata ya kamariang te ya katang condemn ha minom I love bakin ot ikan ikendeu namar ka panjot ya kamariang kan kata ko
Meghalaya Post.news.